As an art teacher, sometimes I see some common mistakes between most of my students. Especially right now, I'm just talking about drawing, and I want to tell you about one of the mistakes that most of my students uh, have problem with that, and especially younger students. It's hard for them to control the pressure of the pencils. When I ask them to draw or even shade something, they press the pencil very hard. The way that actually they kind of curve the paper. When you touch the paper, you can feel that it's kind of deep. It's not as smooth as it should be. That is a problem because later on, when you want to work on more professional drawings, you want to work on more sophisticated drawings, you don't want those lines, you don't want those curves because the pencil cannot feel inside that curves. So it means that pressure of your hand must be very light. In one of the sessions, one of the videos, I explained that if you need darker color, darker pencil, darker value, you can just change your pencil to more like 2B, 4B, 6B. It depends on how dark you want it to go. But no pressure. Now let's say you have this problem. It's kind of sometimes not in your control. When you're drawing, you don't know that you are pressing that much hard. So how you can fix that? That's the time that I give my student this pencil. If you can see the pencil, it's really long. I sharpen it this way, so it's hard for them to press because if they press it, they're going to break it. So now they have to just work. I know that you can see this pencil is actually 4H. It's very light and I cannot press it that much hard because it's going to break. So I'm going to just draw with this pencil and then even shade with this pencil. That way, if I press the pencil a little, I can break it. Okay? So this is the way that you can control the pressure of your hand, so don't press it that much hard. After a while, maybe 2-3 sessions of practice, you're more comfortable with not pressing your pencil that much hard on the paper. So if you are one of those students that it's hard for them to control the pressure of your pencil, this is the way that you can practice on the pressure.